Friends, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you and tell you how you can very easily and quickly be in a post in the Instagram app. Please subscribe to this channel, make sure to put your likes, and also don't forget to write your comments. So friends, let's get started. I'll start by telling you that this feature that I'm going to show you is very useful and will help you quickly find the posts and dialogue that you want. Open the Instagram app on your phone and then go to Conversations. And now, let's say you only remember a word or phrase from a message. But, for example, it takes you a long time to scroll down to find that person. Or you don't remember to pull it out in correspondence with the person, but you don't remember exactly when you had that conversation. It may have been a month ago, but you urgently need to find this information. So you just type in a keyword or a phrase in the search box that you remember corresponding with the person. And that way you'll get all the posts with that word right here in this section. So you'll be able to go to them. They'll show you that message that you're looking for, that keyword, and then you can scroll through to find what you're looking for. Friends, this is a very interesting and easy way to search for Instagram posts. I hope this video was useful to you, helped you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put your likes, and also write your comments. See you soon.